Hi everyone! Right now we're here at the exact property kung saan makikita niyo sa likod ko ang isang American theme design na house and lot natin na available in the market. And this property is located in an exclusive village and also it is exit away from Santa Rosa, Laguna. This property is perfect for retirement home because it is smart home already. This is a corner lot with 2-car garage, 5 bedrooms, and may bedroom to sa baba. So it's perfect for our elderly. And again, this property is perfect if you are someone who's looking for a design na American theme. Dahil hindi lang sa labas ang American theme natin, pati na rin yung finishes natin sa loob. And I know na kayo ay excited na makita yung buong itsura ng bahay. So let's have a quick house tour. And guys, we're here at the exact property, Again, I want to highlight this property because this is a corner lot. So it has a lot area of 200 square meter and 220 for the floor area. So yung pagka-corner lot niya, ang ganda kasi yung nasa harap ng bahay or nasa harap na lote, nasa gilid ng lote is wala pang nakatayong bahay. And to highlight this one guys, hanggang dito yung inyong magiging lote. Actually, meron tayo dong emergency exit which is papakita ko sa inyo later. So yung frontage ng bahay, since corner lot siya, so napakalawak. Nakapaglagay pa sila dito ng onting landscape, which is nakadagdag sa pagpapaganda ng ating property outside, And also, it has an access dito naman guys for our car garage. So this is our gate for our parking. And this is our main gate, So dito tayo dadaan ngayon. And pagbukas mo pa lang ng property, you will be welcomed by this greenery, which is designed by the seller, Ang maganda dito, ito yung front yard ng property. Even though American design, pwede ka pa rin maging plantito at plantita dahil may mga allotted sa yung lupa para makapag-design. Itong design na may iwanan nila halos kaya-aya na sa mata, And again, this way is going to our car garage. This is 2-car garage. So yung isa dito is enclosed, which is kagaya sa Amerikano, nilagyan din nila ng automatic. And then, meron ka ditong allotted pa na isa pa pwede sa daily car mo or kaya office car mo. Okay? So, punta tayo dito sa gilid ng property sa kabilang side bago tayo pumunta sa ating loob. Okay? So, this area, kung makikita nyo, ito yung pinaka garden ng ating property. So, ang lawak niyan, ito yung pinaka front na rin. At the same time, papunta sa corner, kaya napakalawak. And this path will lead you to our gazebo and lanai area. Ayan. So, napakalawak since corner lot po ito, And napakarami pang halaman ng pwede mong ilagay. Actually, the story about this one is, pwede pa ito for extend Kaya lang, they have dogs. So, yung dogs nila sa Amerika din, galing is mahilig sa grass. Kaya nangyari, nilagyan nila din ng grass to. So, kung kayo ay may mga alagang dogs din, perfect na rin tong design na to, which is for dogs naman talaga, basically. And again, it will lead you to our gazebo area, which is nandito yung ating mga gamit pa, But this is perfect if you have party, di ba, sa bahay niyo, if may mga bisita kayo, pwede sila dito magstay. At the same time, maaliwalas, Dahil yung hangin is pumapasok sa atin. So we have an access here going to our dining area, but we will use the main door, okay? So right now, guys, we're here at the main door, And as you can see, na-mention ko kanina, it's a smart home, So, isa sa mga features nito is ating main doors is naka-smart lock na rin. So, keypad lock na rin siya. In case na kayo ay may bisita, so keypad lang, And it's very secured kung kayo ay isang retiree. Okay, so as you entered, this is your living area. And the layout of this house is open layout, which is basically yun naman talaga yun sa mga American theme design na interior. Kasi mahilig sila sa mga gatherings, di ba? So dito, kahit na may ginagawa silang magkakaiba, nasa dining, nasa living, yung isa nagluluto, di ba? Pwede pa rin kayong mag-communicate, pwede pa rin magkaroon ng bonding. And since this is your living area, nandito yung ating television, which is hindi kasama dito sa ating property. Again, this house and lot is available on the market, fully furnished. So, lahat po ng nakikita ninyo, almost, is ito na rin po yung inyong matatanggap. Yung mga personal lang, like paintings, this television, And everything na personalized is syempre dadalhin ni seller. And ito yung ating dining area. It's an 8-seater. No, actually medyo malaki pa to, but if kaunti lang naman kayong titira, pwedeng mas maliit na dining area, na dining table, sorry. And then it will lead you here to our kitchen, no? So dito pwede kayo mag-prepare. Sabi ko nga, it's an open layout. But bago natin puntahan to, I want to explore this side of the house naman, guys. Kasi nandito located yung ating room for our elderly. So again, this property was designed para sa kanila talaga. So for retirement talaga dapat to eh. But they have change of plans. So they are moving for something bigger property in some part of Silang, no? And yun yung reason, that's why they are selling this property. So pero ang plano nila dito sana sila mag-stay if hindi na nila kayang umakyat pa sa taas, no? Sabi ko nga, dalagang dinesign to for retirement. Kaya kayo, kung naghahanap kayo ng retirement, this is perfect for you. So again, we're here at the room downstairs. So kung naghahanap kayo ng property na may room downstairs, this property is you've been looking for. And meron tayo ditong cabinets pa, which is hindi natin bubuksan yung mga cabinets kasi yung ibang gamit nila dito, actually lahat ng gamit nila dito is galing sa Amerika pa, dun sa bahay nila, no? And yung mga ibang gamit na hindi kasya, tinago nila sa mga cabinets. So we have here also the toilet and bath, kaya naman kahit na itong room na to is for elderly, is pwede pa rin, no? Dahil meron siyang sariling toilet and bath, hindi mo na need lumabas. So, ayan, from our elderly room here sa ground floor, we have also here a storage. As you can see, ayan, hindi natin bubuksan. Baka sumabog sa atin yung mga gamit, no? And ito naman yung access kanina sa car garage, yung naka-enclose. Ayan, and hindi rin natin bubuksan kasi punong-puno ng gamit as per seller, no? And punta naman tayo dito sa ating daily kitchen. So, ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating kitchen area. So, this is your kitchen area. Dito pwede kayo mag-prepare ng ating mga slightly lang naman na lutuin, no? Yung mga breakfast, everything. But, meron tayo ditong daily kitchen. Dito naman yon sa ating dulong part ng house. But, pupuntahan natin yun later, no? So, dito, itong makikita yung cabinets na to, it's pantry, no? Ito yung ating pantry. And, again, it's your kitchen area. And dito yung ating 2-door refrigerator. And it's also included na rin po dito sa ating property. So, we have here the powder room. Ayan. As you can see, pati yung paintings dito, American design pa rin, no? And we are going here sa ating daily kitchen. Ayan. So this is our daily kitchen. So, dito, pwede tayo mag-prepare ng mga heavy meals. Meron din tayo dito naka-ready na range hood para hindi rin umamoy sa loob ng bahay, no? And, good thing here sa house, no? Since American design niya to at taga-US yung ating seller, no? Itong property owner, naka-water filtration na rin siya. So, yung lahat ng iniinom nila is dito na lang nila kinukuha. Nililipat lang nila dito sa jug na to. So, filtered naman yung ating water. Kayong mga nasa US, alam ko, naiintindihan nyo, no, na talagang mas prepared nyo. Marami na rin akong buyer na may water filtration. So, this property, meron na po siya. Since US nga po ang base ng may-ari na to, no? And, speaking of water filtration, nandito po nakatago yung ating tangke. Which is, hindi ko nabubuksan, guys. Pero dun po yan nililinis, dun yan pinapalitan. And, yan, nakatago siya. Again, in this part of the house, no, kung saan makikita niyo yung ating tangke and then yung ating filter ng ating tubig, nandito na rin nakatago yung ating lahat ng condenser ng aircon. No? Lahat naman to is centralized yung aircon, buong property. Dito siya nakatago. So, hindi siya nakaharang sa house. Kung makikita ninyo, no? Hindi siya nakakapangit sa fasad ng house. And, syempre, kapag nandito yung ating lahat ng condenser, medyo malaki yung ginastos sa copper. Kasi, syempre, lumakbay yung ating wirings niyan papunta dito sa likod, no? And in this side naman, guys, this is, originally planned as maid's room. Pero, since hindi sila sanay na may maids, no? So, ang ginawa nila, nilagyan na lang nila din ng storage and another refrigerator. I will confirm kung kasama itong dalawa, but I think isa dito is galing kasing Amerika. So, dadali nila yan, okay? So, ito yung kanilang dapat for maid's room. Pero yan, naging ano na rin nila, storage area. And may access din papunta dito sa ating gazebo. So, yan, dito sa ating gazebo, guys. Ayan. So, dito pwede kayo mag-invite. Again, ito yung pinunta natin kanina sa labas ng property. Dire-diretso yan. Hanggang doon sa ating main door. So, let's proceed naman sa ating second floor. So, tara. So we're going to our second floor of this property, no? And unang mapapansin nyo dito, since American style, yung ating design ng property, pati interior, hindi lang labas, is napakalawak ng ating staircase. Ayan. We're here on our second floor, no? And ito yung ating staircase, napakalawak niya. And hindi ko lang nasabi, guys, dun sa part na to, guys. Meron tayong chandelier and also a floor-to-ceiling window na nakakapagpalaki ng property. And also, yan din yung design sa labas ng bahay, no? So, nakatint naman yan kahit na floor-to-ceiling yan, kaya hindi naman naramdam dito sa loob yung init, no? And the good thing here, pag akyat ko dito, usually, yung mga house na pinipicture natin, lalo na ganito, 3 bedrooms sa taas, or 4 bedrooms sa taas rather, is wala silang space dito sa may pag-akyat mo, pag-akyat ng staircase. Pag-akyat agad, room na agad. So dito, meron silang common area. Although hindi nila ginawang common area, open lang, pero pwede itong gawing common area. Ang point ko dito is, ang luwag pa pag-akyat mo, hindi siya overwhelming na kwarto agad, di ba? Yung ibang property kasi ganon. So, this one, napakaluwag nila, nailagay pa nga nila itong piano, and also, this is included sa property, no? So, una natin puntahan is this bedroom. So, this bedroom is good for our kids, no? O kaya kung may panganay tayo, ayan, dito, pwede siya dito. May view pa, ventilation is also good kasi dalawa yung window, and meron din tayo ditong cabinets. It has also a television and makeup table in case, no, para sa lagay ng mga gamit niya. Pumupunta sila dito before, no, nung hindi pa sila nakapag-decide na magpatayo ng bahay, some part of silang. Kaya naman, may mga naka-ready pang ganitong mga gamit sa bawat kwarto. So, natutulog sila dito siguro once a year pa, kada umuwi sila. So, this is our first bedroom, and bago natin puntahan, no, yung ibang bedroom, puntahan naman natin itong ating common toilet and bath dito sa ating second floor. Ayan. So, this is our common toilet and bath. And this is very spacious, no? Dahil dito yung ating toilet, yung shower area natin enclosed din. So, hindi siya magtutubig dito, no? Pagka ginamit mo to. And ito yung ating lavatory. Okay? So, let's proceed on our next bedroom. This is our next bedroom. This is the second bedroom here on the second floor. So, this is also for kids. Kaya naman yung design, ayan. Yung design niya is very ideal, no? Hindi mas sobrang luwag, pero sakto lang siya. Kasi actually, malaki yung kama nila na nilagay dito. I think, no? Kasi, kaya ganito kalaki yung kama, kasi sanay sila na malalaki yung mga gamit nila sa Amerika. So, nung dinala nila dito, medyo kumain na space. But, again, depends on you naman, guys. And in terms of ventilation, dalawang bintana, meron din tayo. And kung napapansin niyo, lahat ng ating mga doors and mga cabinets sa bawat property is pare-parehas ang ginamit. And kinaganda doon is uniform sila. So kahit saan tayo pumuntang kwarto is magkakamukha lang yung mga pinto, no? And this is our third room for the second floor. So this is our again, third room, and meron tayo ditong cabinet. And kung makapapansin nyo itong room na to, is ginawa nila to for office area. Yung ginawang office area ni Sir, no? Dito rin naka-record yung ating mga CCTV. Sabi nga sa inyo, it's well secured. Kapag ito na rin yung property na napili ninyo, so may naka-ready na rin kayong mga CCTVs. So, naglagay din sila dito ng room in case may bisita ka na pwede mo din ipagamit no, na room. And this room is convertible naman. Depende sa inyo. Pwedeng studio para sa bata, or pwedeng common area, office, just like this one. Kaya, naganda, no? And nasa second floor pa siya. So, meron din siyang cabinets dito. Sa side na to, di na rin natin bubuksan. And meron din siya ditong mga drawer for personal. So, punta naman tayo sa ating master's bedroom. So, the good thing here in our master's bedroom, very private yung kanyang dating, no? As you can see, di nyo kita kung nasan dito yung master's bedroom unless mag-proceed tayo dito sa part ng second floor na to. This is our way going here sa ating master's bedroom. So, ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating master's bedroom, and meron pa siya ditong hallway papasok going here. So, very private talaga, no? Hindi agad-agad pagbukas ng pinto, yung kama agad, yung tinutulugan nyo agad. So, dito, very private siya. So, bago natin puntahan tong part ng bedroom, no? Or bedside, no? Dito, may kita nyo, sa hallway na dinaan natin kanina, is nandito yung kanilang walk-in closet adjacent to your master's toilet and bath, no? So, ayan, may Mr. and Mrs. Actually, yung vibe nitong part na to, parang hotel type. Yun yung unang naisip ko nung nakita ko tong side ng part ng house na to, no? And meron silang his and her sink, drawers, everything. So, ayan. Ito po ay nasa master's bedroom. And pag alabas mo dito, nandito yung cabinets na hindi na natin bubuksan because of, may pang personal dyan. Andyan yung ating closet. And galing tayo sa toilet and bath. Andito naman yung ating room that has a balcony. Ayan. Ang ganda ng balcony niya kasi hindi lang siya nilagyan like for the balcony. Pero literal na pwede ka maglagay ng upuan, table, sobrang luwag niya. No? And ang may access lang, ito ang gusto ko dito sa property nito, ang may access lang is itong master's bedroom. No? Iba kasing property, may access yung ibang kwarto. But this one is very private. No? Kumbaga, parang yung vibe, at least kayong mag-asawa o kayong mag-partner, meron kayong solo area dito sa part na to. And tanaw na tanaw nyo, syempre, yung inyong neighborhood dito sa property mismo. So, baba naman tayo sa ating property. Tara! And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope na enjoy nyo yung ating house tour dito sa property na nasa likod ko. And again, this property has a lot area of 200 square meter and floor area of 220 square meter. This is perfect for retirement home because it is located in an exclusive village and it exits away from Santa Rosa exit. And this property is an American theme design hindi lang sa ating exterior, pati na rin sa ating interior. It has 5 bedrooms and 1 room for our elderly sa ating ground floor. And this one is available in the market. We are selling this one for 18.5 million pesos only. And if you're interested, you can contact us directly sa mga number nasa screen. It is 639-6960-20739 and it has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage para sa ating mga kababayan working abroad. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for still supporting our YouTube channel. See you on my next one.